So, hello guys, thank you for watching this video. My name is Adrian and I will make a short demonstration on how to use one of our free web application, how to build it and start it using Docker. For newcomers, Docker it's a virtualization software used to execute software using an isolated environment. You can find more information on their website, and there are a lot of tutorials related to Docker. I will not insist on this part. So also for newcomers, AppSeed it's platform that provides many web application. Most of them are free, and we are using automation tools to transform flat HTML into usable web apps. So if you are curious on what we do exactly, you can access our public repository, and we have a lot of free web application. You don't need an account to use them, and most of them are released under the MIT license. So you just grab the code and use it for a hobby or commercial project. It's your choice. So let's grab the first Flask dashboard from this list. We can choose any one. We can visualize the UI right away. There is a live demo. So okay, let's use the default user, which is listed here. Okay, so the application it's usable. You can use it into your next project and jump over the manual integration of the design, adding database and basic modules that are already provided by us. So let's go to the source code and try to build the application in our environment. We have here the build instructions. For the manual build, you need to grab the sources, of course. You need to set up the virtual environment. You need to install the dependencies, put some variable into your environment, and start application. Well, this is quite simple, but for this video I want to use to start application using Docker. Okay, let's open a terminal. Sorry, there is a dollar here. So we grab the sources from GitHub. This might take a while. Okay, after the sources are grabbed from GitHub, we need to switch inside the directory and basically execute three simple commands under the Docker compose. Okay, go here. So we need to pull. The first command that we need to type is to pull the necessary modules used by the application, which is Nginx. The second command is to build the application, which means that we copy from one side to another the configuration file. We need to install the requirements. It's all those commands are automatized, so you don't need to spend time with them. And the last command is to put the container up. We can do that in two ways: as a daemon, and the terminal will be released, and our container that execute the Flask application runs in the background, or we can run as from the terminal, and we can see all the output. And right now the application runs the basic setup. The Nginx is started, and now the application should be accessible on this port. Let's check it out. yeah, so we have the application up and running. Let's try to authenticate. By default, the application is not provided with the default user. It's we need to create it, so we need to um, access the registration page. Let's put here test at AppSeed and the simple password. I don't know why the application is slow at the beginning. Might be the Docker virtualization. It's sort of cache and many layers between the browser, what we see, and the backend processes. Okay, so the user is now created. We can log in into the application. Okay, so this is it. The whole process took less than 2-3 minutes. So guys, in case you like the application, just grab the code and use it for your next project. The license is MIT all the way, which means that you can use it for hobby or commercial projects. We provide more than half of our applications are free. So you can see here we have only, at this very moment, we have a few pro versions and the rest are free, so just play with them. Of course you can choose a premium product, which is optional, of course, and it's the same thing, but the difference is that the UI kit it's a premium UI kit provided by the web agency that build the UI, and also you have 24/7 live support via Discord. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any issues. We are we provide 24/7 support via email or Discord. There's a lot of guys here on Discord. We can assist you anytime. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have issues by using this kit. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye.